Hudson mother becoming the face of coronavirus in Northeast Ohio when she became the first one of the first anyway, diagnosed with COVID-19 last March.
Now, Amy Driscoll is revealing her struggle with the virus lasted for months.
It was the hardest thing I've been through in 49 years. Don't let down your guard because you really don't want this.
Tonight, she talks to our Bob Jones about her ongoing fears during the pandemic and her hope for the future.
Amy Driscoll's Facebook page in March of 2020 exploded at a time when social distancing was barely a thing. She wrote, "Please take this seriously. People you love, their lives may depend on it." It was shared more than 30,000 times.
It was very weird because I went viral for being viral, and which was a strange sensation.
Amy first spoke to News 5 remotely while she was under quarantine in her Hudson home.
I am a person with it, and it really made me sick.
Health officials told Amy she likely contracted COVID at a Cavs game on March 7th. Days later, she had a fever, struggled to breathe, and was hospitalized.
I was the first person that Ahuja had seen. I was the first person that any of my doctors had seen with an actual positive diagnosis.
Amy now revealing some of her symptoms lasted 4 months, and even today, she's not completely herself.
Going up and down the steps or doing anything kind of really strenuous activity, I just have to stop and take a deep breath and try again.
Over the years, she has watched the cases rise, nearly 1 million now in Ohio. Among those who have died from the virus, 2 of her high school friends.
They're just never going to be back, right? Just gone.
Amy is anxiously watching any news about the coronavirus variants and the vaccine rollout. At 49, she's not eligible to get the shot yet, but she'll stand in line as soon as she can.
I'm just waiting my turn.
While the vaccine gives her hope, Amy worries that too many people will let their guard down, gather too much, and stop wearing masks in public places.
I'm still scared for all the people that I care about in my circle and my friends, that anyone would get this and really suffer. We've lost over 500,000 people to this. It's a tragedy.
And just like she did 1 year ago, Amy is sending a message to anyone who will listen to be safe.
Moving forward, we're just going to keep doing everything we can to keep as many people as we can safe.
Bob Jones, News 5.
So glad she's doing well. And as for sporting events here in Ohio, which is where Amy is believed to have caught coronavirus, Governor DeWine just amended a health order to allow for 25% capacity at indoor sports and entertainment venues. 30% capacity is allowed at outdoor venues. So for a Cavs game, that means about 4,800 fans will be allowed inside.